Hi and welcome to Bianca's Kitchen, where you can explore the world of vegan food. In today's episode, I'm sharing my super delicious orange peel smoothie. Orange peel is edible, so a couple of years ago I started to use it in my smoothies in order to avoid food waste. Orange peel is a great source of vitamin C, fibre and antioxidants. I use organic oranges in my recipe. I would not recommend using conventional oranges because of the pesticides used in agriculture. I'm also going to use the oranges themselves, not just the peel. The carrot and apple shown in this video are organic too, so I also use their peel for extra nutrients. First, I steep the 6.5 cups of tea. My fruity blend is from a local bite-buy store. I buy it in my own jar, so there are no package instructions to follow for measuring. I recommend you use high-quality tea for this smoothie. A thin tea that has little flavor is not a good base. I let my tea steep for 10 minutes for a strong taste. Before straining it, I add the raisins to let them soak in the hot tea. This will make them easier to process in the high-speed blender. I let the tea cool down for 2 hours. Before cutting all the produce, I let it soak for 10 minutes in a bowl filled with fruit wash. I make my own fruit wash using 6 cups of warm water with 1 cup of certified vegan vinegar, but you can also use store-bought fruit wash. After 10 minutes, I rub the produce with a sponge. Then I toss the fruit wash, I add clean water, and then I dry everything. I cut all the produce. I only remove the parts at both ends of the oranges. Everything else I use. These oranges are sold as seedless, but I always check for seeds, just to be on the safe side. I remove both ends of the carrots and the apple core. Everything else I use. I fill the tea and the raisins into my high-speed blender. Add the orange, apple and carrot pieces and the flaxseed. This sweet red smoothie has a very refreshing and citrusy taste. It's so delicious and healthy, you absolutely have to give it a try. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Also try my other smoothie recipes. My wild herb green smoothie uses edible wild plants that are forage. One of my first tutorials back in 2015 was my pink smoothie made with banana and melon, and my spinach cucumber smoothie. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks for watching, see you next time.